Hi everyone, welcome to Master of Data Science. Today we are talking about what exactly is data science and how can you build a step-by-step career path in this field, especially in 25. First, what is data science? You have probably heard terms like machine learning, artificial intelligence. They are built on the foundation of data science. In fact, tools like ChatGPT and recommendation systems are possible because of data science. But what's going on behind the scenes? Let's take Netflix. If you often watch horror movies, Netflix will suggest more horror content for you because it sees your patterns. That's data science in action. Same with Instagram. If you watch anime videos frequently, it will show more anime content. These platforms use user behavior data to keep you engaged as long as possible. All major platforms, social media, streaming, shopping, want user to stay longer. They analyze the patterns in your activity and show you content accordingly. Those business problems to show you content you like get solved using data science. So, what is data science exactly? It is a mix of math, statistics, programming, data handling, and ML. In data science, roles like data analyst, data scientist, big data engineer all exist because big companies have massive volumes of data called big data. Okay. Your job as a data scientist is collect data, clean it, analyze, process, and finally pull out useful insight that help business grow. When you mix business understanding, data, math, and smart algorithms, boom, that's data science in action. To begin your path to become a data scientist, there are key steps you should follow. Let's dive in. First step, learn Python, the most popular language in data science today. Why? Because of its rich libraries and strong community support. You will start with Python basics, variables, if statements, loops, then move to powerful libraries NumPy and Pandas. This let you handle data effectively. Next, no need to be a math genius. Start with statistics, linear algebra, calculus, and probability. Just the core ideas you need. Why? Because in data science jobs, you often deal with data analytics, which require a strong understanding of statistics. After that comes data visualization, turning your insights into charts and graphs using Matplotlib, Seaborn, or tools like Excel, Tableau, Power BI. With all this knowledge, you step into machine learning, applying algorithms like supervised, unsupervised reinforcement learning, and more. But ML does not work alone. You also need to understand databases and SQL because Data is often stored in relational systems. Once you have all these skills, work on projects to apply them. Use platforms like Kaggle to find datasets and build real models. Projects help you build your portfolio and show potential employers what you can actually do, not just what you learned. Over time, you can specialize in ML, big data, NLP, computer vision. Which part of data science excites you most? Always remember, data science is not just theory. The real impact comes when you use data to solve real business problems. That's your roadmap. Start with Python, then add math and statistics, move to visualization, learn ML, build projects, and finally specialize. If this helped you understand what data science is and how to start, hit like, comment your roadblock below, and subscribe to Master of Data Science. I will help you on this journey.